Hi, if you have Google AdWords certificate, it's open really great job opportunities, and I want to show you some of this. I have my own digital marketing agency, and I'm selling Google AdWords service. So later in this course, you'll see what is my approach to sell Google AdWords services, and what are the approaches to price your Google AdWords services if you are independent company. But if you want to develop your career, there are also great opportunities. You can see I'm in one of the biggest job websites in the world, that's Indeed, and I have performed a search for AdWords jobs, and you can see that here and here all around there is a lot of opportunities. And the good in this website, the great is that here is the average salary per these jobs in United States, and you can check whatever country you want here. And the average for United States is 65, almost 66 thousand dollars, and the minimum is 14,000, and the maximum is $159,000. So there is a great job opportunities. The other place and the other approach for working as AdWord expert is to be a freelancer. I have my company account in Upwork, so I can show you a few Google AdWords colleagues and what are they earning for their knowledge. Just wait to switch the screen. Okay, this is my Upwork account, and I perform a search for AdWords certified freelancers, and you can see that there is a few guys here, and this is their hourly rate. This guy is taking $90 per hour. This almost 50, 67 and $70 per hour, and these are the best performance here in Upwork. Of course, if you're starting now, you may want to start with a little bit lower salary, so you could be really competitive. But this is where you can get, and this is a great opportunity when you succeed to take your AdWords certificate.